My father and your father. In Japan, this is called, in English, we can say father and uncle. So in Japan, here is my father. This is called a chichi. You know, chichi. My father. Chi. My father and others, someone's father or your father or my friend's father. This is called oto-san. Oto, here is a long tongue, oto-san. Oto-san. Oto-san, someone else's father, and my father, chichi. So in both cases, here is one kanji. So we can write first. There is a little this one. Second, this is that case. So third case this. Fourth case that. So this is called father. Father kanji. This one again. First, second, third, fourth. Again, first, second, third, fourth. So first, second, third, fourth, same angle over there. Firstly, this one, secondly, that one, thirdly, in this, that, and fourth one, that cross. But a little angle, it's not a straight. So cross. Here is chichi. So this is called a chichi. Directly chichi. So this one. And oto-san, if you say o-to-san. We know the son is the only for use the as respect, as like as Mr. So we know is polite, so only to. So here, so kanji is only used the purpose of to. So first, second, third, fourth. Oto san. So oto san is someone else's father. Oto-san. So if we used in the full sentence, Oto-san wa o genki desu ka? Question. Oto-san wa o genki desu ka? How about your father? Oto-san wa o genki desu ka? How about your father? That means we want to know the condition of your father. So in Japan here is oto-san wa o genki. O genki. O genki. O genki. What's the condition? O genki. That means good or bad physical condition. O genki desu ka? So oto-san wa, when I ask to my friends or someone, then I use the term oto-san. But in the replied, if my friends replied me, my father is good, so he replied that chichi, because his father. So this is chichi wa genki です。父は元気です。because his father. So here is used 父は元気です。